In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code with the OpenAI API. This guide will walk you through the process of setting up your project, generating integration code, and executing your script to interact with the OpenAI API. To begin, it is essential to organize your project files. Start by creating a new folder for your project. Open your command line interface and type memkdir Claude OpenAI app to create the directory. After that, navigate into your new project folder by entering cd Claude OpenAI. This structured approach will help keep your files organized as you proceed. Next, you need to initialize your project. If you are using node.js, type npm init-y in your command line. This command will create a package.json file with default settings. Following this, you will install the necessary packages. Enter npm install OpenAI Axios to install the OpenAI client and Axios, which is helpful for making custom HTTP requests. This step ensures that you have the required libraries to interact with the OpenAI API. Now, store your OpenAI API key securely. You can set your API key as an environment variable by typing setx OpenAI underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore API underscore key underscore here in your command line. After executing this command, it is important to close and reopen PowerShell to ensure that the new environment variable is loaded correctly. Alternatively, you can opt to use a benin file with the .env package for managing environment variables. Next, you will generate the integration code using Claude Code. Ask Claude Code to create a node.js script that connects to the OpenAI API. Enter the command Claude generate create a node.js script that uses the OpenAI API, reads the OpenAI underscore API underscore key from environment variable, sends a prompt and logs the response dash output OpenAI dash integration.js. Claude Code will produce a script similar to the following, which includes the necessary code to interact with the OpenAI API. The generated script will include code that initializes the OpenAI client with your API key and defines an asynchronous function to send a prompt and log the response. After the code is generated, you will run your script by typing node OpenAI-integration.js quote. You should then see the OpenAI generated response displayed in the console, confirming that your integration is successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.